Hello, I have a yogi tip for you today. My name's Michaela, and I'm going to break down some little tips surrounding chair pose, Utkatasana. So let's start with the first variation. Big toes touching, a little bit of space between your heels, sit your hips down and back, arms up overhead. I'm going to break it down from feet all the way up to the top, okay? So with this variation, sometimes you see people's heels out quite wide. This is exaggerating a bit, but you do actually just want about an inch between your heels. And if you want, you can have the feet right touching, the heels touching, totally up to you, but that little space between the heels creates a bit of space across your low back. Make sure your knees are not going in front of your toes, your weight is in your heels, zipping up through the midline of your body, engaging through those inner thighs. Good, scooping your low abs up and in, so that you can create space across your low back instead of letting the low belly drop down and the tailbone lift. You don't want that banana back, right? So you want to draw the low belly up and in, slight tuck of the tailbone, arms up overhead, and try not to reach them up, like you're trying to grab a hold of a monkey bar. Instead, soften the shoulders down away from the ears, and the arms can actually open up a bit wider if you'd like. So that's one variation, and then the other variation is feet about 2 fist distance apart. Again, you sink down, bend your knees, arms up overhead if you'd like. With this one, you want to press down into your feet, stretch the mat out in opposite directions, and make sure that your knees are in line with big toe, second toe. Your knees are not going in front of your toes. Same idea. From there on up, you want to scoop those low abs up and in, drop through the tailbone, chest stays open, arms up overhead. Watch out for those shoulders, relax them, drop them down, and there you have it. That's your Utkatasana chair pose. I hope you enjoyed it.